In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pre-fill Docusign documents in 2026, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know two reliable ways to add information to your documents before they reach your recipients, using a template and using a direct envelope for one-off files. First, sign into Docusign and head to the templates area, create a new template, then move into the Prepare view. This is your workspace for placing fields on the page. From the tools on the left, drag the fields you want to pre-fill, like text for names or addresses, and checkbox for yes, no items onto the exact spots in your document. The goal is to place what you, as the sender, will complete in advance, so recipients don't have to. With the field selected, look to the Field Properties panel. Here, enter the exact data you want to appear in the document. For example, you might type in a project name, a reference number, or a standard company address. This is also where you maintain consistency. Use the same formatting each time to keep your paperwork clean and professional. Once your values are in place, turn on Restrict Changes. That option prevents recipients from editing the pre-filled data, so what you enter is exactly what they'll see. When you're satisfied with the layout and the locked-in values, save the template. From now on, anytime you use that template, your pre-filled details are ready to go. No retyping needed. Now let's cover pre-filling in a direct envelope, which is perfect for a one-time document. Click Start, upload your file, and add your recipients. Then click Next to enter the Prepare step for this specific envelope. Look for the pencil icon. This opens the pre-fill tools. Click on the document where you want information, place the appropriate fields, and type the data right into the Field Properties panel, just like you did in the template. If you don't want recipients to change those entries, apply restrict changes to those fields as well. When everything looks good, send the document. The data you pre-fill becomes a permanent part of the file that recipients receive, so they experience a smooth, accurate signing process. A quick note as you work: position fields carefully so they align with your document text. Use clear labels and keep sensitive details to the minimum necessary. That's all there is to it. Template prefill for repeatable workflows and direct envelope prefill for one-offs.